So today I'm going to be talking a little bit about Khan Academy. And I want to start with just talking about the experience of using it as a teacher. I'm not going to go through the setup necessarily. I'm just going to go through some of the features and some of the just the way Khan Academy works with your students. So here I have a class set up with only two students, using my two children as an example. And I've set them up and placed them in different in grades. I started them, and Khan Academy recommends this for any grade to start them at kindergarten. It just helps to build up that confidence and to make sure they're reviewing and mastering any skills that they might have missed along the way from kindergarten to where they are now. And it just helps to familiarize them um, with some simple content before getting to their actual level that they're at now. Um, so here in placement, I have my students placed in in different grade levels. Again, I started with kindergarten, and when they master that, then I assign them the next grade. You can see in progress where they are in each grade level. So kindergarten, both students are up to 92.5% mastered. So I moved them on to the next one. You can also see it breaking down. So here are the different units within kindergarten, and you can see how they're doing in each of these as well. I want to show you something in first grade. So right now, both my kids are moving through first grade. Um, Actually, my daughter is currently in third grade at school, and my son is in first grade. So he's in his actual grade right now on Khan Academy, where he is in at school, and my daughter is still moving through the content, trying to move into third grade. So here in first grade, something I noticed is at one place. So you can click on the different units, and then it breaks it down into these different skills, right? And you can see if they've not started, it'll show you not started. That means they haven't done any practice, and that's okay. Attempted means they've attempted and they didn't move towards familiar, proficient, or mastered. It means they just attempted it and they probably got too many questions wrong um, consecutively, and it just suggests that they need more practice. So you can see here, I have one student who has only attempted, who's still at attempted, is not proficient, is not familiar, not mastered, and that would be my daughter. And so, since I see that she's struggling with this one topic, I can actually go in now and assign her additional practice for just this specific skill. This is the only skill in first grade that she's struggling on, and I can assign this to her. Once I assign this, now I can get an in depth look at how she's doing. See, prior to this, I can't see like her answers or whether she used a hint or anything like that. But once I assign it, now I'm going to go to scores and I can see how she did. So her recent assignment, she got a 57, so still struggling. So I may want at this point to intervene and to give her a little bit more support in person, explain things, and really figure out what's going on. So I show you a quick view of what the assignment view looks like once it's done. I can view their last attempt. So she got them all right after her last attempt, but her first attempt she got a couple wrong, so she didn't get it the very first time. I also have the responses here, and you can go through each question to see their first response. So her first response was 10, and it says Leah has 9 roly-polies in her bug house. She has one more than Dawn. So she thought it was 9 plus 1, which is not the answer, and that's why she wrote 10. So once you assign something, you can get a more in-depth view of possibly what you're learning or struggling on, and how to better help them and offer support. Um, and Khan Academy really emphasizes mastery. So it doesn't. It won't have the students, drill and kill, and it won't have them doing the same thing over and over again. They really get to master their skills and then move on. And so it just offers a platform for you as a teacher to view that and then to offer help as needed. And there's videos that can go with it if they need help. So I just want to really recommend using Khan Academy to help your learners. Thank you.